In this tutorial, you will learn how to draw paths in GardenBox 3D. First, let's create a straight path. Click the Paths button and select an appropriate pavement type. Next, select Straight Path. Click the left mouse button at the starting point of the walkway and draw a line from there. Left-click again to complete one section of your walkway and start drawing the next. Finish the footpath by clicking the right mouse button. If you want to extend the pathway or move turning points, just pull the needed marker. In the Properties tab, you can customize the created walkway. Adjust the width and height. Choose a desired coverage type from numerous textures in the catalog. The scale of each texture is adjustable. Customize the design of the side part. Enable or disable borders. To create additional anchor points, select a segment of the path and double-click. Similarly, double-click an existing point to remove it. Curved paths are useful if you have circular or rounded objects on the plan. Select Curved Path and click the left mouse button at the starting point. Then left-click where the rounding will be to create an anchor point. Left-click again to complete a curved section. That's how you make your own path in GardenBox 3D. Many more useful video tutorials are already waiting for you on the official website.